Hi guys, today I will take you to beautiful state park in New York State, which has breathtaking 19 waterfalls and view along the trail. This state park is in New York State and around 4 hours 30 minutes from New York City. There are mainly two paid parking areas on the front entrance and upper entrance, and that's the only fee you need to pay. They have a camping area and separate entrance for that. The hike is moderate with almost 800 steps to walk and around 2 miles, roughly 2 hours, if you come through the front entrance till upper entrance. So there are a lots of discussion about which entrance to choose. The view has definitely better if you hike up from front entrance. If you choose to come through upper entrance, it probably take less time as you will be going down till front entrance. But the last part is probably the toughest part, as it has around 100 steep steps to climb to reach at the end of the upper entrance. Nothing wrong if you are going down, you will still have same step to go down and same view, but you just have to turn around to see the best view. Thank God, they have shuttle service which cover each entrance, so you can park on any entrance and come back via shuttle to your entrance parking. So enjoy the view and find some time to visit this beautiful park.